Hello guys and welcome to my channel. You all might be using Android or iPhone, but I recently found that there is a cool new way to delete or edit your text that you type in an iPhone, no matter whether it's an iPhone 6, 7 or X or any other new iPhone. So here's the trick guys. As soon as you type a word, you don't have to use your finger to go to a particular place in the sentence or in the word to correct the word. All you need to do is hold on to the space bar, and you see the as soon as you hold on for 1 to 2 seconds or 3 seconds, all the keys disappear, and then you slide along the space bar. You don't lift your hand, you keep holding the hand on the space bar and move left or right, and this will allow you to move the cursor exactly to the character where you want it to be, and then you can delete or insert new character. How cool is that? So once again guys, the technique is to do is use any of your fingers, anything, and press the space bar for a few seconds. Then you see all the keys uh, disappear, and then you hold your thumb or your index finger or any finger that you use and move. Don't take off the phone. Once you press it for a few seconds, the keys disappear, and then you continue to hold, and then now you can slide back left or right, and the cursor moves, and then you can position your keys at the exact character, exact line that you want to edit. And now release the spacebar and you see the cursor there, and you type in the new character that you missed, or you press a spacebar, insert a space, or add a new word there. That's cool guys. Let's give this video a thumbs up and spread this video to your friends and families, and they will thank you for this. If you like this video and you want more of this video, check out my channel and subscribe and give a thumbs up and comment on this video guys, and thank you for watching. You are amazing. Thank you.